Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate music for your design using AI and Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva, and for example, I'm going to create music for this design. If we want to create music with AI, we can go to the Canva apps. We can go to the apps right here, select the apps, and then you can search for the AI music, and you can choose this one, AI music, and here you can choose styles and mood. And for example, I'm just going to select happy, and then cinematic, and also peaceful. Okay, then here you can choose the duration. I'm just going to set 15 seconds and click on compose. Okay, and you just need to wait for a moment until the process completed. Okay, and now the music has been added to my design, and I'm going to play it. Okay guys, and that's how we can generate music for our design with AI in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.